Hello, restaurant owners and operators. Today, we're going to talk about something called phantom labor. Now, growing up, one of my favorite plays was Phantom of the Opera, which has absolutely nothing to do with today's video, except for the fact that I titled it very similarly. My name is Ryan Gromfin. I'm an author, speaker, chef, restaurateur. I'm the founder of The Restaurant Boss and ClickBacon.com. And today I'm coming to you from the world headquarters, my home office here in Austin, Texas. And before I tell you about phantom labor and how to solve it, I want to thank 7 Shifts for sponsoring today's video. One of the biggest challenges restaurant operators face isn't food costs, marketing, even sales. It's your people. Hiring them, training them, scheduling them, communicating with them, tracking labor, and yes, of course, managing and leading them. And that's where 7 Shifts comes in. Unlike generic scheduling software, 7 Shifts was built specifically for restaurants. It helps you hire, onboard, schedule, communicate with your team, track time, manage payroll, monitor labor costs, all in one platform. What I really like is how it integrates with many of the major POS systems, allowing you to see labor costs against actual sales in real time. That's huge because labor is one of the largest expenses in your restaurant, and small mistakes can turn into big profit leaks. To learn more about 7 Shifts, please use the link below or the link on your screen right now. So back to phantom labor. What is phantom labor? Basically, phantom labor is when somebody clocks in, say, 5 or 10 minutes early and clocks out, say, 5 or 10 minutes late. It's when somebody doesn't take their full unpaid break or doesn't take their unpaid break at all. Basically, these few minutes here and there are unrecognizable to the human eye, but add up over days and weeks and months multiplied by 10, 20, or even 100 team members. This can turn into thousands of dollars in payroll expenses that were not needed or budgeted for. In fact, I was just talking to a client yesterday about this exactly. He's finding, as we're digging in more and more into labor costs, he's finding that a few minutes here and a few minutes there are being missed. In fact, unfortunately, there are some cases where people are coming into work 1 or 2 hours early, clocking in. He's checking the cameras. They're not really doing much because they're not needed there yet, but they figured they haven't gotten caught yet. They're getting there early. They're clocking in. Now, so what can you do about this? Well, the first thing I recommended to him is, why aren't you using 7 Shifts? And we're looking into that now. But what you can do about this is, first, make sure you're scheduling properly and that you create a culture around the schedule. What I mean by that is, many of the restaurants that I work with have a schedule that they kind of just repeat, and then people just kind of come in whenever they want, because the schedule's not always correct. So sometimes managers are like, oh, I know the schedule says 7, but come in at 8 tomorrow. Or I know the schedule says 8, but come in at 7. Or just, there's not this culture around the schedule is the gospel. The schedule is the book. When I operate at restaurants, and what I teach clients is that the schedule is written in stone. If it is changed, it is changed. If it is not changed, you are expected to be here when you are on the schedule. So that means that managers, operators, and owners have to take the schedule more seriously, so that way team members take it more seriously. So for me, number 1, create a culture around the schedule. The schedule is the schedule. 2, make sure you're using a POS system, or at least a clock in, clock out system that allows you to block early and late punches. Something that will also send up flags that says if people miss their breaks or didn't take their breaks, overtime, etc. So that way your attention is brought to this stuff. It's not just hidden in the background. And then lastly, if you're using a POS for clock in and clock outs, but not for scheduling, make sure that you're using a scheduling software like a 7 Shifts that integrates to your POS system, so that way your schedule is pushed to your POS system, and then your POS system knows the schedule and will block those early and late punches. What's most important here is that, yes, in a perfect world, when you review payroll at the end of a period, you should see these things, a clock in at 6:52 when it was supposed to be 7 a.m. But we all know how busy you are. We all know how busy your managers and your operators are. And we all know that that is not always a reality. So what we want to do is we want to create systems and processes and procedures that find this stuff for us and don't allow it to happen in the first place. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And remember, systems create freedom. Freedom creates value. Value creates scale. If you don't already have a copy of our book, right, Make It Happen, go ahead and grab a copy for free on our website. When you're on our website, therestaurantboss.com, you can also learn more about our memberships. You can schedule a time with me to do a one-on-one strategy session or to book some coaching sessions with you. Our software, ClickBacon, is also available for you to help you increase profits at your restaurants. It's a financial dashboard. It integrates with Restaurant 365 as well as QuickBooks Online. You can check that out at clickbacon.com. And then lastly, please don't forget to reach out to 7 Shifts. I know you will absolutely love their software and it will be a major time saver for you. Check out the link below this video. Have an absolutely amazing day. Bye-bye. Make It Happen is the book I wish I had when I was operating restaurants. Inside are the lessons that took me 10 years to learn and 10 more years of teaching to perfect. I've condensed the most important lessons into this tiny book for building a big restaurant business. I am on a mission to improve restaurants all over the world. Because of that, I want to send you a free copy. Grab yours today at therestaurantboss.com.